If you are wondering if Google Pixel 10 Pro XL supports power sharing, then the answer is yes, at least partially. Unfortunately, reverse wireless charging is not available on this phone. You cannot charge other devices wirelessly, but if you have USB cable, then you can connect both devices together. So let me actually try to connect my Pixel 10 Pro XL to another Android device, and we will see. Unfortunately, now this one is being charged, but I believe we should be able to go to the notifications. Over here we have charging this device, and we can switch to charge connected device. There we go, and now we are charging another device. So in case your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is not immediately charging other devices, and then you need to find the USB preferences notification, so you can open notifications. It should be probably in silent notifications. You can tap in order to reveal, and then you should be able to find charging connected device or something like that, where we can open USB preferences, and then we can scroll down to find charge connected device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.